We already know how to create 2D images from text with tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. But now the next big thing is 3D models from text, okay? And in this tutorial I want to show you a tool that names lumalabs.ai. You find a link in the video description, and this is still in the progress. You can do anything here at the moment, but you can join to the waitlist and you can already find here some 3D models designed by the designers of Luma Labs, and you can download them as OBJ file and you can use them. Okay, now we can have a look what we have here. This pumpkin zombie hat looks very interesting. Here we can look around. His head looks a little bit strange, but I'm really sure that this tool will improve very soon. Got some animals here. This bear looks interesting. Some food, some sushi. We have this F-117, a ghost. He looks great. Looks very clean. If you like a model, then you can check it out here. You can download it as OBJ file. And then it comes as zip file. You can see we got also the textures. And let's move them here on the desktop. And then we open Blender. Just delete the cube here. Go to File and then import Wavefront OBJ to desktop, and then import the mesh OBJ file. And now we got our 3D model here. You can see he looks really great. See here, this is not so good. We have the right foot. We got two, but no problem. You can also edit them here if you want. Go to the edit mode, but this is another part. Okay, you can watch my Blender tutorials if you want to learn how to edit a mesh or how to create from scratch. But you can also use this 3D model as a blueprint, okay? And you can, for example, you can use the retopology workflow, and then you can recreate this character, okay? And then you can animate it or whatever. You can check out my Blender tutorials for that. I have a lot of them in my channel. I'm really sure that this tool will improve very soon, okay? And I will make a new video when it's getting better. So, if you like this tutorial, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!